Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best leather lace cutter is probably one of the most underrated tools in any leatherworker's arsenal. It transforms raw leather into perfectly uniform strips, making lacing, weaving, and various crafting projects a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a beginner, this tool streamlines your workflow and elevates the quality of your finished products. Number 5. Tandy Leather Tabletop Lace Cutter. This tabletop lace cutter is designed for cutting fringe, braiding strips, belts, and lace. It's a manual feed cutter, so you simply pull the leather through to get the job done. The cutter allows for precise cuts every time. It works best on firm leather, ideally between 3 to 5 ounces in weight. Whether you're working on lace, belts, braiding strips, or fringe, this tool can handle it. It's a great way to speed up your leather cutting process. Get nice, straight edges effortlessly. This tool simplifies leather cutting, making your projects look more professional. The blades are easily replaced when they become dull. You can even reverse them to extend their life, ensuring you always have a sharp cutting edge. What we like. This tabletop cutter is perfect for anyone needing consistent, straight cuts on leather. It's ideal if you're working with belts, fringe, or lace, and want to speed up your process. If you're looking for a reliable tool to create professional-looking edges, this is the one for you. What people say. The cutter is well made and the blade is sharp. It cuts leather cleanly and accurately. The adjustable guide is a nice feature. Number 4. Mr. Penn Stainless Steel French Curve Rulers. Introducing the Mr. Penn French Curve Rulers. These rulers are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. It's the perfect tool for your crafting needs. This template offers a range of radius options from 10 to 90 mm, allowing you to draw various arcs and corners. It's designed to help you create precise shapes with ease. The Mr. Penn template is thin and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It fits perfectly in small toolboxes, so you can take it wherever you go. Use it as a drawing, cutting, or burning guide for your DIY projects. It's perfect for sewing, card making, and other crafts, helping you achieve professional results. This versatile tool is also suitable for use on leather and similar materials. It helps you achieve precise and professional results, making your project stand out. What we like. This stainless steel template is a must-have for precise curves and corners. Its durable design ensures it will last a long time. If you are a DIY enthusiast or a leather crafter needing accurate shapes for your projects, you should consider this. What people say. Great purchase. Sturdy metal, excellent. I was so frustrated while making circles for leather projects, but this thing is a game changer. Works well for corners or cutting circles. This was much better quality than I was expecting, heavy, with nice smooth edges. It's a pleasure to hold and to use. Number 3. Tandy Leather Craftool Lace Maker 3784-2000. This is the Craftool Lace Maker from Tandy Leather. It's a great tool for creating your own leather laces. With this, you can make laces quickly and easily. The Lace Maker allows you to cut consistent and professional-looking laces. You can customize the width and length to fit your needs. It's perfect for various leathercraft projects. Using the Lace Maker is simple. Just insert your leather, adjust the settings, and start cutting. It's designed for both beginners and experienced leatherworkers. Crafted by Tandy Leather, this tool is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand regular use. You can rely on it for all your lace-making needs. Enhance your leathercraft projects with the Craftool Lace Maker. It's a must-have tool for any leather enthusiast. Get yours today and start creating. What we like. This lace maker is a versatile tool for creating various leather crafts. It is easy to use, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced crafters. If you like to make leather laces, you should consider this. What people say. Used correctly, it works exactly as it was designed to work. I have used mine to produce many feet of leather lace. This really rules. If you do this kind of stuff, you gotta have one of these if anything just to see it work. Goodbye scraps too. probably start planning the scraps for this use too, I suspect. Number 2. Leather Lace Maker Leathercraft Cutting Tool. This handy tool efficiently turns scraps into lace. It's a great way to make the most of your materials and create beautiful crafts. With this tool, you can easily transform leather scraps into usable lace. It's a simple yet effective way to reduce waste and create unique designs. The tool is designed for comfortable use and precise cutting. Its dimensions make it easy to handle and control during your leathercraft projects. This swivel leather strip cutter includes 3 blades, ensuring you always have a sharp edge. Replacing the blades is simple, so you can keep working without interruption. This is a perfect tool set for anyone passionate about leathercraft. The blade is made of sharp steel, providing a smooth and enjoyable cutting experience. If you have any questions or problems with the product, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to provide you with a satisfactory solution. What we like. This handy cutter is great for turning leather scraps into usable lace. It comes with multiple blades for convenience and a smooth cutting experience. If you are looking to maximize your leather usage and enjoy crafting with lace, you should consider this. What people say. The blades are very sharp. It works great and is very easy to use. Made some heavy-duty boot laces. Number 1. BESTNULE Leather Tabletop Lace Cutter. This is the BESTNULE Leather Tabletop Lace Cutter. It's designed for cutting fringe, braiding strips, belts, and laces. This tool makes leatherwork easier and more precise. It's a manual feed cutter, so you have complete control. Simply insert your leather and pull it through for clean, consistent cuts. This allows for detailed work. For best results, use firm leather weighing between 3 and 5 ounces. This ensures smooth operation and accurate cutting. It's the ideal weight for this tool. The blades are easily replaceable when they become dull. You can even reverse them for extended use. This feature ensures the tool's longevity. The BESTNULE Lace Cutter comes with a set of 5 blades. This provides you with everything you need to get started right away. It's a complete package for your leather crafting needs. What we like. This tabletop cutter is perfect for anyone needing consistent cuts on leather. It's ideal if you're working with belts, fringe, or lace, and want to speed up your process. If you are looking for a tool that comes with extra blades, you should consider this. What people say. The standard razor knife blades fit. I just finished with 7 knives and got accurate cuts. This item works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.